The decoy lights. How false promises lure founders away from true opportunity. In the natural world, decoy lights can create a deceptive silhouette that misleads predators, and in business, a similar phenomenon occurs when unscrupulous individuals project an alluring but false image of success. These decoy lights are often former key figures from a previous venture who exploit impatience and uncertainty, presenting themselves as a faster, more promising path. Their glow is not genuine illumination, but a tactical misdirection designed to lure you away from your intended destination. Following these decoy lights often leads to a costly detour, draining your resources, trust, and momentum as you chase a silhouette that never materializes into substance. The true danger lies in the wasted opportunity. While you are distracted by their flicker, you abandon the steady, authentic progress being made within the new company. Therefore, discernment is your greatest defense. Recognize that the brightest lights are not always guides, but sometimes traps for the impatient and disillusioned. The decoy lights is a powerful metaphor for misleading guidance, ensuring you have verified. Factual information is the best way to distinguish the true light from the decoy. Be careful, my dear friends, especially those who are confused and frustrated with how Mr. Ash Mufere is building his new company. He is in our corner like no other CEO in business today. And in any sector of the world of business, what Mr. Mufere is building for all founders and affiliates is a foundational legacy that will not be affected by any outside negative stimulus and internal stimulus brought on by impatient founders and affiliates.